Hey! In front of me is Motorola EDGE 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use a voice recorder on this Motorola. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app, and when you find it, tap on it. Then choose Got It at the bottom right corner of this pop-up and choose while using the app and Allow in all of those. Then start your recording by tapping on this red button. Firstly, you need to choose Yes in this pop-up, scroll down, and click on Recorder. Then tap on this switcher next to Allow Do Not Disturb, and select Allow in the pop-up. Then click on the back button twice and finally tap on this red button. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, use the same button. In order to end it and save it though, click on this little square one. Now you can delete your recording right away by clicking on Delete at the bottom left corner and choosing Delete in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can always add a title over here as well. And save your recording by choosing Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, hold it, select the pin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!